Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial series. In this series, I'm going to walk you through how to use systemeio to launch and run your online business. In this first video, we're doing a full tour of the platform so you know exactly where everything is and what each feature does. This is the main dashboard. On the left, you'll see leads and sales for the past 31 days. On the right, you'll find live updates like new contacts and new sales as they happen. Under the dashboard tab, you'll find the affiliate dashboard. If you promote other people's products, this is where you'll see all your affiliate sales and stats. Next, we have the student dashboard, where you'll see any courses you've purchased or any free courses you have access to. Now let's move to the CRM tab. Here we have contacts. This is where you add and manage your contacts. Tags. Tags help you segment your audience so you can organize them better. Pipelines, this shows you the journey your customers move through. Calendar, this is where you manage your appointments and booking schedule. Let's go next to sites. On the sites menu, you've got sales funnels. This is where you can build sales funnels, everything from lead pages to sales pages. Your digital store. Here you can set up a digital store where you can sell your digital products or collect leads for your lead magnets. And blogs, this is where you create and manage websites and blogs. Let's go to the email tab. Here you can create newsletters, can build automated campaigns. Then under statistics, you'll see all your email marketing data and performance. Let's go up to the SMS tab. Under the SMS tab, you can create and manage your SMS templates, track your SMS performance inside the SMS Statistics section. If you plan on using text messaging in your marketing and follow-up system, this is where you'll set up everything. Next is the automation tab. This is where you build rules and workflows to automate your business, allowing systemeio to handle tasks in the background while you focus on growth. Next is assets. Under assets, you'll find physical products, coupons for promotions, courses, your communities, and files, all the images, PDFs, videos, and audios used across your website and courses. Next, we have sales. Under the sales, you can manage orders for physical products, transactions, including payments and refunds, subscriptions, if you run subscriptions, affiliate invoices if other people promote your products, and affiliate program. Everything under my affiliate program where you set up your own products for affiliates to promote. If ever you get stuck, you can click on the help tab, or you can click at the bottom question mark to search the help pages instantly. Next we have the notification and settings. Up here, the bell icon shows you recent notifications. On the far right, under the profile image, you can access account settings, including sub-account. Alright, that's the full overview of systemeio. In the next video, I'll go through how to manage your contacts inside systemeio so you can build your audience the right way. Let's move on to the next tutorial.